land trip going to Catanduanes. So, simula na kami ng aming journey. We'll be updating you every now and then. Right now, we are on the road, moving fast. We just got out from the horrible traffic. So, let's show you the scenery. Not very much to show right now. It's just the road and a sunset rising up. So family are all sleeping. Just gonna show a little bit of this, little bit of that, and I'm gonna show you how to drive going to Bicol land trip. You know, 8 people in the car with lots of luggages. Very nice view. I really like the view. Ayan, nandito na kami papunta na kaming Tiaong Quezon. On the way pa lang. Nagbubukang anong-ano pa lang yung araw. Kaya I cannot let that go. Yung ganda ng view ng araw. Ang ganda awan ng Diyos gumagalaw naman. So when you do the land trip, you have to really have to prepare for everything that you needed because it's a long drive. We prepare food. The only thing that we didn't do is we did not fall asleep all night, so we're all tired, but that's fine. We're all adult, we can handle that. Bicol region. Welcome Quezon. Nasa Quezon na kami. Quezon Province, may malaking Jollibee. Yan ang kalsada. Ganda no, wala kami kasama sa daan. Ngayon lang yan. Maya traffic na naman yan. May slow, may hindi. So okay lang. Umagang kay ganda.
Mas maganda yung pagligo natin dito.
Meron pa dyan. Candelaria, Quezon. Malapit na tayo mag-almusal mga lalay. Malapit na kaming makakain. Mo yan akala mo nagpo-form na ano ba to? Na tornado. Pababa na siya. Dami naman itong kalapaap na to, kaganda. Cloudy.
Hindi na rin naman kalayuan.
Santo Cristo Elementary School. Traffic. Hi. Am I getting all of you?
Hi. Do you have a beauty filter on though?
Just edit it. Nobody's ugly in there.
No pores.
See? See?
That natural.
Oh my God, no. Nobody wants to see your face ugly. Welcome to Lucena, Quezon. Ay, jumpy. Dito na kami sa zigzag. Entering the Bitukang Manok. Oh, entering na kami. Entering. Yan na, papasok na kami. Pakaliwa, hindi doon. Pakanan kami. Yan na, pasok na kami sa Bitukang Manok. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Bitukang Manok, papuntang Tabako. Ayan, slow down kami kasi ano, napaka-sharp po.
Very sharp.
Bitukang Manok kami. Ayan, zigzag kasi ngayon dyan.
Is that normal?
I have more.
Oh, that's it.
No, it's not.
Yeah, but I don't want the noise. I'll just open later. Ooh, pagi. This is the main.
She's a kid.
Ay, puta. Ayan siya, oh. Oh. Oh, napaka-steep. Ayan, oh. Yung babao mo, naku, mana yung babao, yung baba.
Yeah, she's getting it.
Okay. Oh, that's it. We passed it already.
That's it?
The kids assisting all the motorists. That kuripot mo ana, daddy.
Huh?
You cheap. Give more. Give more.
Mr. Krabs over here.
Kaya po,
I told him piso. He just gave piso.
pagbaba You told me peso.
Oh, these guys are lazy. They're under an umbrella. Don't give them anything.
Hey, there's nobody there.
You get one. You get one.
Bitukang Manok kami.
I don't see you working. You don't get any. Oh, here comes one.
Oh, he is a baby.
You keep the baby.
Throw everything now. Throw
Oh, give.
Throw everything.
But
We don't scratch them.
Ako. There. Yahoo! Look at this. Very beautiful. Oh, going down. Bitukang Manok. Napaka-steep pala ng zigzag dito. Grabe.
Pag bisa na yung driver.
Maganda tumigil doon. Kunan mo yung itaas. Tapos pabaw yung
Usually
baba.
po nakakatigil dyan yung mga rider.
Kaya lang ang dami busy eh.
Tsaka nakulan din.
Oh, hindi ka pwedeng umano doon. Mr.
Yung mga rider, mga nakamotor.
Mamaya mamali ka pa ng apak eh. Ano yan? Restaurant yan?
Opo, parang restaurant siya.
Do they live here or do they walk up here?
Labor.
Yan, pababa na po tayo. Meron ulit dyan. Prefer.
That's it. We're done.
Yeah, open your window. Record out the window. Need more freedom.
Meron pa palang part 2.
I don't have no money. I give it to JJ.
Uy,
I threw
throw.
all the money away.
Yeah.
There's no traffic.
Nandito kami sa Toro-Toro, kumakain sa kantin. Oh, mga Amerikano kumakain sa kantin. Ayan si Afam. This, I'm gonna explain to you how I experienced this. I told my husband how I experienced. He said it's awesome. I need to let them experience how to go to my homeland. So my kids understand how hard it is to drive in the land and then take the ferry boat. Those truck over there is going inside this ferry boat. We all have to vacate our van down there. And this is the biggest one. It's going to another port. We are going to the Maine. This is another province. It's more high-end and bigger compared to what we are having ferry boat right now. That's the view. The cloud is touching the ocean. Awesome. Yeah, he's admiring the view. Somebody is fishing over there. Ah, can see it. And I can't see the Mayon volcano. I cannot. It's covered by the cloud. It's cloudy. Nice boat experience, very, very life reality experience for my children and for my family. So when you travel, you always pay attention and active to see and listen to the schedule because it can change anytime due to the weather. That's just, I can tell you right now, wherever you go, even if you're just traveling the ocean, the air, always make sure that you are paying attention when you travel in the Philippines because they change it anytime. The weather is just bad. I mean, in reality, traveling date schedule can change anytime due to the weather, but majority though in the Philippines are schedule is not stable. Yes, Daddy. What?
You know what that means?
What is that over there?
That circle with the.
What does that mean?
Huh?
What does that mean?
That's the balance of the water line.
Oh, okay.
So if you notice, the back of it's heavy. So
Yeah, it's heavy over there because that's where the trucks look. The trucks.
no,
You get the trucks over there.
if they walk at the dock,